at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. Right now is the March Spring Sales Cleaning Event. We are moving vehicles. The Santa Fe has some extra incentives on them, but I want to tell you the most important thing, that's the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000-mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000-mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. We've got so many Santa Fe's, different colors and packages to choose from. Please give me a call here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or you can call me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. I would like to invite you out for a free test drive and get a good idea of what you're looking to achieve. Thank you, Lynn.